Welcome to Turkey. As soon as I landed in Istanbul, I noticed how Turkey is so busy. Life is fast here and people are always on the move. Oh, also, the slopes here are extremely steep. However, Turkey is so culturally diverse. Every place has something unique to offer, and the mosques, the palaces here, the museums, all of them might look similar, but trust me, they have so much to offer in terms of the information, the historical background, and the architectural brilliance. The best part about Turkey is also its food. The street food here is incredibly delicious. We have all heard of the tulips of the Amsterdam, but the ones in Istanbul too are beautiful. Oh, and of course, shopping. The Grand Bazaar and Spice Bazaar here are known worldwide, and if you come here, you have to try them. Istanbul for sure is a busy city, but the things it has to offer in terms of nature, architecture, food, and just the social, historical, and cultural experience in itself as a tourist. Trust me on this. When you come here, you will see things you have never seen elsewhere, and you will leave this place feeling like you were at home. We now move to Cappadocia, the place where hot air balloons are something that everyone wants to experience, and the place where hot air balloons are more magical than they have been anywhere else. The valleys here in Cappadocia are not just unique from those in the entire world, they're also unique from each other despite being located in the same place. Oh, and if you come here, you have to live in the caves. Lastly, do not miss out on the pottery experience here because it's truly beautiful. Moving to the third city in Turkey, Antalya. Again, this is a place so different from the other two, right? Well, that is exactly why I said Turkey is so diverse. And here we are in Izmir, where everything again is so different from all the other places in Turkey. Lastly, here we are in Pamukkale, a place you will not find anywhere else in the whole world. And it also has hot air balloons which overlook the beautiful white castles. Well, this was the end of my trip to Turkey, and of course, my shaky footage did not do justice to how beautiful the country is, but y'all get it.